Hi everybody, welcome to this episode of the Health Channel. Today we want to talk about the fruit that prevents iron deficiency. Stay tuned with me to talk about oranges. The orange, also called sweet orange to distinguish it from the bitter orange, is the fruit of a tree in the family Rutaceae. Botanically, this is the hybrid between the pomelo and the mandarin orange. The chloroplast genome, and therefore the maternal line, is that of pomelo hybrids of the sweet orange from later types of mandarin and the grapefruit. The sweet orange has had its full genome sequenced. The orange originated in a region encompassing southern China, northeast India, and Myanmar. The earliest mention of the sweet orange was in Chinese literature in 314 BC. Orange trees are widely grown in tropical and subtropical areas for their sweet fruit. The fruit of the orange tree can be eaten fresh or processed for its juice or fragrant peel. In 2022, 76 million tons of oranges were grown worldwide, with Brazil producing 22% of the total, followed by India and China. The orange tree is a relatively small evergreen, flowering tree with an average height of 9 to 10 meters, although some very old specimens can reach 15 meters. Its oval leaves, which are alternately arranged, are 4 to 10 cm long and have crenulate margins. Sweet oranges grown in a range of different sizes and shapes varying from spherical to oblong. Inside and attached to the rind is a porous white tissue, the white bitter mesocarp or albedo. The orange contains a number of distinct carpels inside, typically about 10, each delimited by a membrane and containing many juice-filled vesicles and usually a few pips. When unripe, the fruit is green. The grainy, irregular rind of the ripe fruit can range from bright orange to yellow orange, but frequently retains green patches or under warm climate conditions remains entirely green. Like all other citrus fruits, the sweet orange is non-climacteric, not ripening of the tree. Orange flesh is 87% water, 12% carbohydrates, and 1% protein, and contains negligible fat in a reference amount of 100 grams. Orange flesh provides 47 calories and is a rich source of vitamin C, providing 59% of the daily value, with no other micronutrients in significant amount. Oranges contain diverse phytochemicals, including carotenoids, lutein, and flavonoids, and numerous volatile organic compounds producing orange aroma, including aldehydes, esters, terpenes, and ketones. Like most citrus plants, oranges do well under moderate temperatures between 15.5 and 29 degrees centigrade and require considerable amounts of sunshine and water. They are principally grown in tropical and subtropical regions. As oranges are sensitive to frost, farmers have developed methods to protect the trees from frost damage. A common process is to spray the trees with water so as to cover them with a thin layer of ice, insulating them even if air temperatures drop far lower. Now, we are going to talk about some benefits of oranges. Number 1. Benefits of oranges for the liver and lungs. Due to the excellence and nutritious ingredients in oranges, this fruit, due to its vitamin A and the presence of a substance called carotenoid, eliminates liver disorders and is very beneficial for liver health and fatty liver improvement. The benefits of oranges for the liver include its antioxidant properties, which orange peel is rich in flavonoids, which are full of natural histamine, suppressing compounds, and you can reduce the drowsiness side effects of antihistamines by using this herbal medicine. And due to this feature, orange peel is known as a lung cleansing herbal medicine. Therefore, it is better to use orange peel to use the benefits of oranges for the lungs. Number 2. Rich in minerals and vitamins. Potassium is one of the most important minerals found in oranges, which reduces the risk of heart attacks and cardiovascular diseases by reducing blood pressure levels. The most important vitamin in oranges is vitamin C, which is the main part of the benefits of oranges. But it is better to know that the vitamins of this rich fruit are not limited to this one. Vitamins B1 and B9 are also among the effective vitamins found in this fruit. Number 3. Preventing iron deficiency and anemia and regulating the menstrual cycle. The B vitamins found in oranges prevent anemia to a great extent by increasing blood iron levels and increasing iron absorption and red blood cell densities. Eating oranges or the juice of this fruit along with iron-rich foods will help a person's health and prevent anemia. Vitamin C found in oranges helps increase estrogen levels. At the same time, this vitamin reduces blood progesterone levels, making the menstrual cycle more regular. Disadvantages of consuming oranges. Oranges usually do not cause any harm to the health of people who do not have any specific problems. It is better to eat this fruit with honey, dried mint or angelica, and etc. to prevent the body from being overtaken by cold and to use the properties of oranges. Also, people who have stomach ulcers should avoid consuming this fruit and its relatives such as lemon and orange until they fully recover, because the acidic properties of these fruits will aggravate these diseases and heartburn in these people. At the end of this video, thank you for being with me. For more information about other fruits and vegetables, follow other videos of this channel. If this information was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions about oranges, ask in comment section. Don't forget to like this video and send it to your friends. Our wish is your health. Have a nice day.